You've probably seen the viral video describing why you should lock your Jeep even when the doors are off. It's an extremely important safety tip, but there's an even more important safety tip that we're going to show you today. Here's the real reason you should lock your Jeep even when the doors are off. It's this cargo area back here. If you're like me, you store all kinds of off-road gear, jumper cables. I've got a compressor in here, a medical kit, even an atlas in case I get lost. A couple $100 worth of stuff in here I wouldn't want to lose. Notice when it's closed like this, that the lip of this lid extends past where the door will close on it. So when the door is closed, it's holding down that lid. If this is locked, nobody could get into that compartment. Let's show you from the other side. So with this rear cargo door closed and locked, you cannot get into the compartment down here. This cargo area down here is completely held down. I can't even pull it up from the sides. So for an opportunity thief who's trying to steal all your good stuff, they can't get down in here. And that's the real reason to keep your Jeep locked, even when you've got the top off and the doors off. You want to make sure that they can't get into this area here. It's also a great area if you're out and about and you want to throw the wife's purse in here, or maybe some of your own personal items, to lock them down in here while you're away from the Jeep. Clearly, this extended lip that's held down by the rear door was designed by the smart engineers at Jeep. And good news for all you JK owners, the same design principle applies here. The lip from the cover of your rear cargo area extends out and is captured by the door. So be sure to lock your Jeep even when you have the doors off and the top down. Put a comment below if you've been reluctant to keep your doors off while driving your Jeep around town because you're afraid your items will be stolen. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more. Share this with your friends and we'll see you on the trails.